na munkofa ise so waji concession no enti no munfa no me hwe de be se wo je ye hwe se Galamsey na jaya wo Elembele wachi ha ya ukrom ya wo kra wo yeso wo Galamsey peto wo akasa kwa yeso wo amakofu Buah no yeso wo site wo Galamsey site wa o mo ye adwuma ma na na de ye kan say ye kan say I can't unite FNC bodin I can't unite bodin
Adwa aspiring yeah aspiring adwa de ano ye enti musumu ba mu baby send ye nya give him the update.
They said they was the viewers sound. They said they were joining violence team.
Going into hospitals, they are so
baby.
They been patching Andrew so yeah, patcho.
Baby omudia kubia ye de beko. Baby omudia kubia toilet o magin nyina ye beje from se. Se e ki e kra no ma susu adaka kra no ma je ba kwaje adaka. Omo ye yu omo di mo betre fie no. So omo betre fie 4 years. 4 years ni so omo betre 4 years. Ye be yu omo ne esa do ma kwetena wo.
Sanity
obi e yi na di bia no. Wo so a wo be replace no. Wo be ko no so aba. Ya ye ni sa. Omo ni ya ye ni sa. Because ya de ya na anyo ya ye nya afa ye. Da bi MPP di omo ba o enya hwe ye nyina Ghana fo. Then this for na say nya posi no adwuma no mo de sere MPP fo. MPP NDC for na be nya adwuma o ma be nya adwuma atames ma form adwuma MPP ba na o nya adwuma no mo say ka say Kufuado anya hwe yi. So na Kufuado twia me ka boso me bia. So tia say say 2092 a MPP be ba wo say wo na ye do ahye form. Because who ye mfa nto adake.
Right.
Tie do beto form when MPP be ba wo MPP power wa ba wo MPP ba wo sa bisi Mufasa o se wan MPP be ba power ba wo ani se ehu bi da wo MPP power ma ba our life
abutre. All right, shaka me da say yo all right odifo. Yes.
And then me wera ho kakra bada ni nyina na ebe fire. Uni bi. And then na me ni madam ba ko kasa na me ka chen say the moment me hu say ya point you be say on be share doctor no me acting then I have second feeling say idea na ye plan work say obi be fall victim na ye inedi. Because I see no reason why I say obi ye aduma fine incident yes say yem plan yanka it will take a while and sana ya point you be say o me at and I say o me see you but
the next day incident no there hin incident so be a hospital so be
no be or no at now or at here no. Like I say, Obi Wuda hospital na this is the first time Obi Wu in the
say incident.
So the way I was here and that's how it made it seem say Obi Wu hospital this is the first time Obi Wu in or Kosusin and our Kosusin and the next thing and say wasakini pano and the following day 1.2 party member say go and at like how and as me who say ya appointee will be as a chief justice say on arty deputy on arty for chief justice and I say now obi a man suspension a more suspension you will be so on arty on your behalf but it doesn't say ya sacking because suspension you will be able to see when him there don't say you wedding in the indirect no sanity but like ye catch this for say me asim bia catch rom yezu yeza ye nyina ebezu aza ya ba na ba ye be digi na yenka hu say the next election na be koso no ye wini ya o ye head teacher o ye ndc ni a na wasesa oniema o ye nurse ni o ye ndc ni a ye to aba no ye na wa vacate post because You see, you be here, nursery teachers, nursery. Oh, yeah, nursery teacher, you be you word. What, so move say, Diago. Oh, yeah, nursery, primary school teachers, you be you money. They say, yeah, say Ghana, no, say, San Omope. San Omope, say, yeah, one people nurses for who fear so money, money. It is say, no, yeah, bar, yeah, Miss House say, oh, yeah, oh, the party card, but send or more, you to any kind, say, oh, compared to my, or better, say over her party member and son wa serve no sa na ebe pepe say edu sa ndinu say am people na wo betize anybody a ye beto abe ye wie na obe ye na o ya sa na say nipa no so ye party member na ni fie say ebe se di watem no kene de ya pompom fa no munni say ne kan odi watem no ye be di mu atem adi ni eni watem aka ho what they say yeah they mean they say they ain't confused because the no more yen sa no me o kan de nkra o ma si o ma dwum pise sa no be ye nje o mo no mo nye na eduru ho a na se ye ya na ya hwe sofofo na mo timtwitai se ne ayi ye ko ayi no na wo ye malama se utwa na ntwi o se utwa nipa o ko gina wo ason yes na twa nipa ye nhwe ho yen pese ye beti se obi bowa o bowa hu ubenya asem wo bowa ye to aba no wie na wo bowa ubenya asem na ye he police ni ya but dem mami ye sisu afo de ka ndu de ma yin so na eduru ho a
therefore you say even the gods cry mom nkasa because
hey
they are quiet.
me say god's way say omu nya anya silent sa silent no mo aye obi anya silent aye so say omo say ultimate for the government for 8 years here you have to see nothing wrong with this one. Edi yaso ye nhwe wo de ne domama be bia eye no be bia ya to aba man onye na se eduru 8 years no na wo de wuni ya wuni na se wuni na wuni biem
The mama of 4 years so. The mama of 4 years only 8
what
years.
is it me so wo de say akufo adu baso o mutim tena Ghana for that 8 years no indi say wo de kitchen na ye hot ma e be free ya ba be to aba na se be to aba no wie na nyame nchaadum ene mo president be ko opposition na 4,000 years ye ba o ye adwuma ko pension kra e be ko akotu na ya de pension pay ebe mo say wo fom no ne mo ye se obi akọ adwuma o ye adwuma o adwuma mo ye adwuma na the whole dan ho prefect what ma akọ so kills the next moment wo awudi nkwa asem no o si ma yiwadi country be empa na ebetima aso san kwasase mu so dan ho prefect obi a also ye herbalist me herbalist wo ene nka herbalist nya obi na mbu na yi ananka wo ye wo se ne wo ye na Ghana na ye oto aba man kwasiafo na bi di sa na tie na nka akwa we obi a ha the voice man fancy na mbu ye fu yes I am beka se mbu ade no the American 2029 2029 January na ye sakamo na de madimochi na me say akwa we meka kire mo sa akwa we na meka trubi sa akwa na ye fe ne abet die no ye momo ni di nje bo guy name
Bongo ideas eh.
bongo
ideas.
me say
I blocked him today.
omofa constitution no omunye constitution omonfa the whole arms of government in protect no oba aduma na oye no yebe yinedi me wrong edu ba bia mum ye akamfo ya twalus na min kasemu yi Canada mo MP na oye German South MP no no ono no oye in charge for army recruitment before army before Mills administration okay soldiers na ye ba ya ye yu omadi say omko yeah on no form and the problem onya any say yes wa fa akanfo edina wa form no it's barely more account names that's the problem onya ye na di free army man ko by forced retirement
Yeah.
Wow. No, nya bonu na akamfo na question me bi say akamfo no mo nye Ghana for.
Yo.
They were Ghanaians, but like yeah, omu use ye wi a na yeah. And you know, they say yeah catch them omo pa mo point omu nyina fa mo mo mpusin. And they just say yen for babim omu nye ku no open mahama pen onye sa ku no. Na se wentima anye ku na ni so 30 years 40 years na wonwu na so ma ne ba boy and cry fencing. Na no kakra se medie no. Na no say apampam.
Abutre onye yeshwe Sharaf Mahama.
Sunsun.
Sharaf Mahama.
Opa Jomama pa oni akunja no mfa emma ne ba no so ni bi. Nyesa nyeso mu lusu election here there ni bia beti omu semia they will smell pepper.
That's it.
Yo,
bring solution. Let me hear you then.
Yeah, the voice. Yes. But the voice, me, I'll tackle it from one guy, be a friend of us in Telly. I'm tackling it from that place. You see, this guy, I recently had information about the guys who are employing some youth in betting companies. But I was so shocked because as young as he is, who inculcated this behavior in the youth? What do you expect in the country? Do you expect the country to grow? Anna, or deeper said because there is a job of employment. Oh, yes, me has to say what he mean. Yes, that goes people like him. No more brainwashing some youths. So, future no, it's stacked. Like they can't go far with it. They're supposed to be limited that way. No more promoting these people up. I thank God, Pastor, I have Peter. Now, me say bring it back to the health center. So, as a supervisor or maybe somebody that have been appointed to take a role, a huge role like this. Now, baby, won't me my prior notice for the people to prepare ahead of you. Hey, Ghana, now go here say, oh, trashy obia, wako school, a fees. You didn't pay for the person during the school time. Do you know the amount that these people were paying in the medical school?
Or a specialist,
even a specialist, whether specialist is special at outside and answer in Ghana, you don't know. Now, what because of your position, for what? And believe it, like in your maybe also say, in your phone no more no so no. Okay, some to mutrima and one no. Well, imagine a person coming for treatment from this particular doctor, special doctor. They no betting. When you need your own, so you're building an image like this, no. You don't know anything. You just come and no baby basana oko. Said because what I knew, they say it was a plan agenda. They just have to complete it. That is what I know. Because Wontumi fa pen ko baby say uko you and Pakwane free at once like that. If it wasn't a plan worker, why is it that you did not give a prior notice to the hospital? Would you want to say this was the error, this was it was not the right thing for you to do? So-called traditional DNA now also no one can say what impact and what make you during this time. Hey, Ghana, we shouldn't be playing with things like that too. We'll move and like in your man amuye or my muni drew health center. Okay, see at Columbia already. Even KG Nina Okane Krampune, true. We will go to that deep. We even go to the portion say, Obu Krampa, what say a community bianu Krampa when you're Shrekran. Ye benji on also the actual because this is how I was here calling boot for now. Yet to Columbia. We see what does this Chief Justice and why like this woman I am refinity.
Justice Tokono.
No,
but quickly. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry to interject you. So I just confirm as it was being said. So the Tamale Teaching Hospital doctors, okay, they have suspended emergency and then OPD services indefinitely.
Wow, look.
Yeah, so it's not only the emergency, but OPD also outpatient departments.
Indefinitely.
Yes.
I support it.
Yeah,
I
it's on Joy News.
With 10 bars of mint.
yeah.
Yeah, so bring solution. Go ahead.
So this thing, pan amoye woman, you know,
sorry, let me interject a little bit. So what you're saying is they have now fully gone on strike or what?
No.
Because the last time I checked,
That's for emergency and OPD.
They're on strike. They're on strike
For
now.
emergency and OPD.
OPD.
That's what I was saying.
Avoid. If they are not if OPD is through the OPD that they will be able to gain admission
To even the wards, the general wards. Yeah. So
it's OPD cause strike, not emergency cause strike. Now basically
the whole hospital. Yeah.
Yes. There is nothing going into the wards.
Yeah.
So upon all, you see all this chaos these people are creating. Like, to what extent in per se, you continue to teach you people anything that they be a make so upon all whatever they are planning on and succeeding in a sense to say majority of even those people now move they are realizing their potentials. Most of them are realizing their potentials now. And that is what me, I am me praying for, especially those in their youth age, let me praying for them. No, you think said you what's your mobile or more cassette? Obi one more interview no say I or mobile dia or my boy or much sikagu and my boys in sikabe no much. People are still struggling. Oh, Tigana Hanum, Obi a beton phone cover in Nigeria, you have a beton phone cover. Etimia investment or bank. Akwaye investment in Ibu Eco Bank GCB or no one Ghana ni no. Ye castre chemo young boys now munjini must say Anna they be excuses, plenty excuses. Obianka nyansa ni baku for trimo, yankasa nyansa o baku for trimo, but ye casting be a musumo from quadrin kakra. When the more potentials obia bawumia edi na yi baye the policy baye or the mini manifesto. We say we do say na youth ni ko reading. Even university people that way they were interviewing them crampono. Most of them did not go and read it. They were even siding with this manner. Or no, not just mere and any other.
But now bring solution to now. You say be ice cream every Friday. Bia ka unkoto ma ice cream.
Charlie, ice cream no di class abinya yalie. Because of
ice cream.
Now who cry you do go to school me say kwesianya sana na koye bibia. Also there and no beboa bet nti 1% to 10% nti. Wait me to future touch na ye. Okay, ono mo so mo ya we say brefie na benya nkokọ. Brefie na beji ayi butu na fa ko wura mu say ungotwa what I say about some so or more some so say where we nti be ye kuntan na hye suit na better. Mumu do say this the way invest na omo ho no ma omo wi a omo betimi speaking eloquently omo betimi understanding things in a very matured way. Mumu do saying because you went and you are just based on betting or thinking about something negativity, something that improve your life. All your lifestyle is about betting. But somebody came just because of installing a digitalization technology aspect to boost up the country and that's it to develop the country. No, Mote a very bad thing. You see the person to be like a threat to the nation. You accepted somebody or say just for Nkukon just for Wellington. What I thought does this man even say in the policy plan? It triggered you people to go and vote. But now, no say we are in Ghana. Why are silent? Me one thing I'm saying is for your director your boycott TV3 issue. Me catch mu munya bigger than any other television stations. No, munya bigger than any of them. So we are telling you guys, say if somebody says he doesn't like you, go where you will be liked. We don't like you people on our platform. Because the appointment, if you quite him for TV3 now, yeah, mama. Oh, now we can use every the appointment with him receive. Like you thought, that TV station, it's meant for us to come there now. Then you people will just box us. You mubeka idea be favor mu just to earn favor in the sight of that president na mo elected wrong. When your papa, we are telling you guys that you are not needed there. We don't need you people. Go where you be needed. That's period. We don't need you people there. So don't come. And me say account for that Chief Justice issue. No. So the constitution now accept say nipa no. Yeah, 1 year she no. Just even if the constitution says that the person is not going in line with whatever the constitution states, that means you have any ways and means to get off where the person was. But 1 year she